Are they broomsticks or acorns? Let's find out. We're mixing up something yummy in the kitchen with Little Partners. But first, you're going to need to grab that Little Partners Learning Tower because this is one recipe the kids can get involved. Then you'll need to grab some donut holes, melting chocolate, chocolate sprinkles, and stick pretzels. Let the kids help with the pouring of the chocolate and the sprinkles. There is no measuring with this recipe, so it's the perfect step to let them help. Plus, the Learning Tower gets them right up to counter height so they can safely and easily help. Next step is to microwave the chocolate. The chocolate and the bowl will come out hot, so be sure to let it cool off some before the next step. Next, let your child use a pretzel stick to dip the donut holes in the chocolate and then coat them with the sprinkles. At this point, you'll have fat little witch's brooms, but if you want the cute little acorns, you'll need to let the chocolate set. Once you do, pull the pretzel out of the donut, flip it over, and push the pretzel stick through the sprinkle side to make the acorn. Whichever option you choose is loads of fun, and with Little Partners and their Learning Tower, the kids get to be part of the fun from start to finish. Keep the kids in the kitchen this holiday season by grabbing your Learning Tower at littlepartners.com.